Hi, I'm David Crawford from eXp Realty. We're at 221 Union Street, Suite 715, a very contemporary 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo located in the heart of Chinatown. You gotta have a look at this video. This is a fabulous location. And what makes it so special is that the new St. Paul's Hospital is not even a 10-minute walk from here. So if you work at St. Paul's, nice and close. If you're an investor, lots of people. There'll be 10,000 people here working at the hospital, which will open early of 2027. I hope you enjoyed this tour. My name is David Crawford. I'm with eXp Realty. If you have any questions or would like to book a viewing, don't hesitate to call me or email me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks very much. Bye for now.